Alrighty, guys. Now, we're gonna show you. These are the lights in the side of a 2019 freightliner Cascadia. Now, as you can tell, they're dirty. Because if you know me, I'm a smoker. See, they're all dirty. And I've had this truck going on 5 years now. So it's time to clean them. So, how to get these out is you just real easily pull them down, okay? See, I already got one down. See, now they have clips right there. I mean the holes, and then there's the clips. Okay, there's 4 clips all together, so you want to make sure you don't break those clips off. So what we're gonna do, what we're gonna do is put the camera in here if we can. We have all this stuff up here. Alright, I don't know. Sorry about that, guys. Let's see if I can get this up here right. Here we go. Alright, now what we're gonna do is we're just gonna unhook the LED light. It should be plug and play. Let's see. Okay, yeah, it's a little clip. Okay, there's a little clip right here. See it? So, let's see if I can do this without being over there. No, I can't do it. Alright. Let me set you guys way over here. Oh, yeah, now you guys can see. There we go. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're just gonna easily get this out. So we pull this back towards me, and boom, that's it. See, one of the reasons why I wanted to do this is because I got a dang stink bug in my light. Alright. See? Where'd he go? There he is. He's dead, but he's been in there for a minute. Alright, so now what we need to do... Okay. We need to get the camera holder. Alright. Because we're using our iPhone. Got this little camera holder. Bought a couple years ago for $5 at Walmart. They still got them. And that little middle aisles there. So, it goes in there. Then it's a tripod. So, there we go. Okay. Now, let's get this solder out of the way. Okay. So now what we need to do is get stuff out of the way here. We still got a couple more hours before we have to go and make our delivery. So now, first what we're gonna do, I got my little screwdriver I got from Prime when I worked there, which comes in handy. Okay, had to do a little bit of shaking, but we got it out. Now, I see that there's clips right here. Okay, so if you're looking at the light, right there, there's some clips in there. Right in there. Okay, so what we're thinking, that's what we need to do. So, this is an LED light right here across. Okay, so let's take another look at this real quick. We don't want to break nothing on this. Okay, so, yep. Okay, so real easily, so you don't break the clips, you have to go down with it. Whoop. I know what's going to happen. something I don't want to happen. But I need to get these. Need to get them clean because they're not. All right, let me sit you guys over here. We need to get them clean because they're not bright. I've had a problem with these lights ever since I owned them. If you go up on top of the bunk on top and you turn the lights on, like if you were a student, they don't work. They shut right back off again. And when I brought it into Freightliner and told them about it, they said they're working fine. I said, did you go up on top? He said, yes. And I'm like, well, you're a liar because you didn't go up on top, because if you did, then you would have found out. All right, we're getting them real easily. There's like a white strip here. Real easily. You know, you don't need gorilla rounds, okay? You need feather. You need to feather it. You don't need to break it. You know what I'm saying? Now, getting them in, we're going to see how that goes. But what we're doing is we're trying to go easy. Now, see, if you do one side, the other side just comes right out. Okay? Boom. Now, there's our lights. Okay? Now, in here, if you need to change them, 4 screws, which I'm going to be buying some new ones. So we would take these 4 screws out, pick this up, and disconnect the 3 lights in there. Now here's our light bar. I'm not too sure how much this goes for, so we don't want to. I'm sure that's not going to be cheap. I'm sure that's going to be a pretty good penny. All right, there's our thing right here. Okay, see how dirty it is? So what we're going to try to do is that we want. Okay, keep that just the way it is. Okay, now we got some cleaner here. Okay, now what I'm going to do, I'm going to try to see if this will work. I don't know if it's going to work, but we're going to give it a try. We got this little brush here. Okay, see, get the little brush. We're gonna spray this, then we're gonna brush it and see if maybe it comes a little bit cleaner. This is what I use. I got it from Wally World. A while ago. Geez, it has to be a couple months ago I got this. Okay, so we just spray this. It smells good too. So it's not like you're spraying anything that's smells nasty or bad for the environment. It's good for the environment. So what we do is we just come down through here and we're gonna get this all inside these grooves. Oh yeah. Jeez, it's gonna look like a brand new light now. See, that's all it is. Look at that. Looking nice and clean. Jeez. Ain't got know what to do, huh? But see, a lot of people, they would probably leave it and not worry about it. But me, I need to have light because I can't. I'm old. Alright, we'll let that drip out over there. Let's see. Okay, now what we'll do is we need our rag. I don't know what I did with all the rags. Oh, you're up here. Hold on a minute. I should have been prepared. Sorry, guys. Alright, we got one of these. I don't like these, but they don't sell the regular grease rags like they used to. So that's all it is. So let me do this. And then I'll get back to you guys when it's time to hook it up. Okay? Alright. Alright, guys. We got this one clean. I figured I'd just do one. Nice and clean now. Okay? So, just take your thing. Remember, you put it, when you take it off, you got to take it off and then put it back the same way, okay? So, this end is the bottom. This end actually will face towards the cab of the truck, okay? This will face towards the sleeper. So you put one end in, like that, and then you got to go down through and real easily clip these in. That's in. See, they snap it, but you remember now they're made of plastic. So if you go too hard with it, it's gonna, it'll break it off. So let's use. I'm gonna use a screwdriver, just as a, just to be on the safe side. Okay, is that in? There's one there. Okay, one more. Oh, this one doesn't want to go in. There we go. Okay. Now we're going to go down through real easily. Push it. Make sure they're all in. Voila. Okay. Now we just wipe it off one more time. And like I said, I use that. Now let me show you. Come on, Mexican. This mess you made. This is what you get when you buy him a monkey or a lammy. This is what you get. That boy cannot have a toy for 5 minutes before he destroys it. Alright, so this is what I got here. These are the brushes that I use. Now I use these on everything. Got them from Wally World. It's got the little one that we're using now. And it's got a flat one here, which is over there on the ground. Like I said, I bought these years ago, and I just use them when stuff looks a little nasty in here, All right, so let's go up on top. Gotta put the ladder back down. Okay. Yeah, I should have used that in the first place, huh? There we go. Okay. So now, just put the light right back the same way you want when you unplugged it. Boom. And then you just take it, line it up with the things. There, there, and there. And then, there. So then I want to wipe it off my fingerprints. Look at it. Look at the difference. Can you see the difference? The back one, that one. Let's see. Yeah, that's a little bit brighter too. You ready? This is gonna go out. You ready? I won't even touch it. Why does it make a liar of me now? Yeah, now it's gonna make a liar of me. Ah, see? Told you. Went out. So there you go. That's how to clean, unhook, and clean your lights in a 2019 Cascadia Evolution. I'm sure it works on the 20s, 21s, 22s. They're probably all the same design. If anybody could tell me, now this right here, you see these marks? These were here when I got the truck. Brand new truck. And they had those marks on it. Now, if anybody could tell me what I can use to clean that, I've tried, so much different cleaner. I need to find something where I can detail the truck inside. So if anybody can let me know, that'd be great. So anyways, I hope this helps somebody out. Remember, go easy. Don't use a big screwdriver. Use a little one. Take your time. Be patient. And get it clean. And you'll be all set. Alrighty? Now we're going to get the back one and this other side and then the front one. So you guys have a nice one. If you like what I show you guys, I got some other videos coming out. A real serious video coming out. So like, comment, subscribe, tell your friends, and let them know about this video so they can clean their lights and not break anything. Alrighty? Alright, you guys be safe out there, and we'll catch you guys later. Bye. Alright, one more thing. Check them out now. Nice and clean. It took only like 45 minutes because I was going easy. The front one was giving me trouble. Just to let you know. You gotta put some weight on that to get it to go up through. See? It's not. See how this falls down? Hopefully that's up there. But anyway, so there you go. You can do your own lights. Alright. Later.